Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to set room properties in just a few minutes? I will show you a quick method to get it right on your first try. Let's get started. Part 1. Set room type. Select a room. Click Room Type in the right side Properties panel and choose the desired type. You can also use the search tool for quick access. Enter keywords to find and select the desired room type with one click. Part 2. Customize room name. Click on a room and input the desired name in the room. Name field located in the right side attribute panel. Then confirm. Part 3. Set room ceiling. Click the room and in the right side Properties panel under the Room Ceiling section, choose either with ceiling or no ceiling as needed. You note that each room can be set to with ceiling or no ceiling in the right side panel. When the room type is set to terrace or outdoors, it defaults to no ceiling. That's all. Thanks for watching.